If you're going to be spending your time out in the water, if you're anything like me, you're going to want to use what you feel confident in. I feel confident in using fluorocarbon leader. I do use mono as well, but if the water is really clear, I'm switching over to fluoro, and I'm using fluoro 75% of the time. If you're going to be attaching braid to fluoro, you need a confidence knot, and that's when the conversation could be had whether using the FG knot, link above, or the Alberto knot. Now this video is going to dig deep into tying that Alberto knot. Now before I get started, if you're not subscribed, if you would jump down and subscribe, it helps me grow with YouTube and reach an audience that may not otherwise see this type of content. And also, if you appreciate the video, if you would hit me with a thumbs up, it helps me show up in that algorithm. Let's get to it. Step one is to lay the lines out. Now the line on my left, which is the light green color, is going to be my braid in this situation. The dark green is going to be my leader material. Now I'm going to fold over and leave myself plenty of room, and that's going to create this loop. Now when we are trying to connect the two together, you're going to run underneath the loop and through the eyelet that you've created. Now you need to leave yourself plenty of room, an excess line here, because that's going to have to be wrapped now around the two pieces of leader material 7 times. 1. Now for the sake of the video, I'm only going to do 3. All right, there's 3. Okay, so now I have a tight grip here on these 3, and I'm going to follow back with 7 more because we're pretending that it is 7. 1, 2, 3. So we've went from left to right 7 times, and now from right to left back across the top of those 7 times. And then we're going to run directly through that same loop that we created. And then you're just going to cinch down on the knot. And that is a pressure knot as well, and that is not going to come loose. That is your Alberto knot. Check out my other ones.